everyone! Welcome back to my college. Why was I gonna say welcome back to my college? Welcome back to my channel. Today was a really exciting day for me because I just survived my first day in college and I deserve a pat in the back for that. Kasi kung kilala nyo ko, alam nyo for a fact na ang tagal ko nang dinedread tong araw na to. I've been having so much anxiety for the past few months, actually the whole summer, about how my first day in college was gonna go. But honestly, it turned out so much better than I expected it to be. Akala ko na I'm gonna be that like loner in the corner, like not talking to anybody because I was too scared. Kasi if you guys didn't know, like the school I graduated from was the school I stayed in ever since preschool. So I never got to experience being the new student. Like hindi ko alam yung feeling na yon, na being in a totally different environment. Like I knew everyone there, the staff, the teachers, like literally everyone. So being like moving into a new school, not knowing anybody, not knowing the culture, not knowing what's gonna happen was a really scary thing for me. Pero nakayanan ko siya, and like I don't know. It was just a really nice feeling knowing that like all my fears were like Oh, and just a disclaimer, if you guys can hear like massive honking and possibly people screaming their lungs out, it's because if you guys didn't notice, I'm not in my usual setup. I'm in my dorm. I moved into a condo with my best friend. Last Monday, we moved in and everything just happened so fast that I didn't get to really announce it. But yep, I'm in Manila, so it's kind of really hectic here. And I will tell you that even at like 3 in the morning, you can still hear people like getting mad in the road, like honking and screaming. So it's kind of crazy out here, but I'm kind of like the busyness. Actually, I don't. I really don't. What am I saying? Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is my bag. Ito yung gagamitin ko buong college life ko kasi sobrang mahal niya, so I better make the most out of this. Sana hindi siya masira agad. I think it's really heavy duty, honestly, and sabi sa akin nung sales lady, hindi ko alam kung totoo or magaling lang talaga siyang sales lady, pero sabi niya sa akin na water resistant daw to, so when it starts to rain and you're walking on your way to school, this is great. This is the kanken. I don't know how to pronounce this, so I just said it really fast so you guys like didn't notice, but it's a kanken. And it's starting to rain, so if you guys can hear that, I'm sorry. What I like about this the most is like when you open it up, it's like totally opens up like a mouth. Like, look at this. Hello, dami mong malalagay dyan. Love it. Okay, so the first thing I have in here, I'm just gonna keep like getting whatever is in Pandora's box. So, what? Okay, now the cleaner started to clean outside. What is happening? Okay, let's do this. So I have, first thing I have in here are my Sunny specs. So I got a lot of questions about what glasses I use, like what's the name. This is from Sunny's, obviously I keep saying it. This is the Akira in white gold. So if you want the glasses like mine, get the Akira in white gold. And then I have my wallet here. Actually, fun fact, I bought a separate wallet just for like my Manila life, because if you guys didn't know, Manila is like kind of home to snatchers or like just sketchy people in general, and I kind of do a lot of walking here because everything's walking distance, and I didn't really bring a car with me because it's like suicidal to bring your car with you in Manila because like it's traffic everywhere, and if you guys can start hearing the rain, I'm so sorry, but let's just get through this video. Okay, so I bought this small wallet from Miniso and it's great. It stores everything. So tapos I have here my pencil case that I bought from Muji, and sobrang guys, I went crazy on buying pens from Muji. It's great. So I have black and then a bunch of different colors, and then I have a glue stick. Parang na wrong grammar ata ako. I have here a glue. I have here glue. Hello, Joella. Pero pag glue stick. A glue stick. I have here a glue stick. Said too much things. Okay, and then I also have a separate pouch for coins kasi if ever kailangan mag-commute, you don't have to bring out your whole wallet. You just like bring out, what do you call this again? A coin purse. And then I have cords. I have my cord charger and then my earphones, which I need to buy a pouch for because can't bother like that the whole time. Then also I have an umbrella for times like these. See, imagine if it started pouring while I was outside. Umbrella. This one is from Fibrella. From SM. I got this from SM. And it's like automatic, so you don't have to go like basang-basa ka na hindi mo pa na-open yung umbrella mo, diba? Parang, hello. So, ito, ipipress mo lang siya. Okay, let's try it out. You just press it. Press this button. Tutorial. Press this button. Good to go. And then when it stops raining or when you get to your destination, you just press it again. There, honey. Fibrella, not spawns. And then also I have a power bank. And then I have a hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. This is the stress relief one because you cannot have enough stress relieving stuff. Are you okay? And then I have my medicine that I have to take right now because TMI, I have amoebiasis, sorry. And then I have a pouch for my sanitary stuff, my napkins. And then I have Sanicare, my favorite type of wipes. These ones smell extra fabulous. Honestly, it smells amazing. Not spawns, but and then I have my phone here, essential of my life. And then I have my alcohol. This is alcohol. And then I have my lip tint. The one I use is this BLK one. I use the shade Cherry, but then ito lang yung nahanap ko kanina. This is in the shade Red. I bought two, one in Cherry and one in Red. And then I have index cards because during orientation, they told us that this is one of the essentials. So I have two. See, nakakahiya pa to. It says, Joella May Ayla Rito, do not get. I wrote this specifically for my siblings because sometimes, when I was younger, sometimes they would go through my drawer and just get whatever they wanted. So I thought that, like, when I wrote this, they would understand, but obviously no. Kasi, yan na lang yung natira sa index card ko. And ang dami kong index cards dati. So, I wonder where that went. Haha, Kuya Jigo, I know you got my index cards. And then I have yellow pad because sabi din ng orienters namin, kailangan namin ng yellow pad. So, this is the Catleo one. Honestly, siguro arte ko lang to, pero iba talaga yung sulat ko sa Catleo. Parang nag-glide lang yung pen ko pag nagsusulat ako sa Catleo. But then if it's other brands, hashtag not spawns, but if this was other brands, sobrang hirap na hirap, parang pumapangad yung sulat ko, ganyan. Pero obviously, psychological na lang to, Joella. And then, this one, this is my binder that I got from Muji. This was like, honestly, I looked for this pa kasi sa South, I still live in the South, but then I live in the South, except my school is not in the South. I'm in the North right now. But, kasi sa South, walang Muji. Meron dati, pero now wala na. So, nung nag-back to school shopping ako, sabi ko talaga sa dad ko, I had to go to Makati just for this, just for Muji. So, I got some Muji stuff, Muji pens, Muji pencil cases. Actually, that's why I said pencil cases, because I got two pencil cases from Muji. I also got this one. See? Wow. And then this one, hindi ko dito nilagay yung pens ko, but then I have here a correction tape from Muji as well. And then ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Bakit ang dami ko nung sinabi? This is the A4 binder, 30 rings, and inside, ganito yung itsura niya. Yeah. If you guys have never shopped from Muji before, you guys should probably know na separate yung binder from the leaf. So, you guys have to buy the leaf pa on its own. But then, the binder itself, like wala pang leaf, the binder itself is 580 pesos. It's kind of pricey, but honestly, if you're gonna use it for the rest of your college life, it's worth it. And the leaf, I'm not sure how much I bought this, but hindi lang ganito kakonti yung leaf ha. Leaves. Why don't I just call it paper? Yeah, so I'm gonna discuss more about this binder later. Pag kukunin ko na yung paper na nandun. And then I have another pen from Dong A, My Gel. I love this kind of pen. I finally let go of my G-Tech obsession, you guys. And then the last thing here is my laptop. So wait, kukunin ko lang yung paper na pinag-uusapan ko kanina. Hold up. I got more than just paper, obviously. So since these are also my back to school essentials, I thought why not show you guys my whole drawer. So I also bought these from National Bookstore. Sobrang cute. It's like rose gold-ish. It's not rose gold-ish. It is rose gold. So it's like this flower pot thing that has pins, and some more pins. And then like these paper clip things. And then also, obviously, you guys need calculator for your maths. And then I have, let me just discuss it to you guys quickly. I have glue, staple wires, I have tape, I have like an extra ID holder, I have scissors, stapler, I have whiteboard marker and pencils. Okay, so this is the one that I was talking to you guys about earlier. So this is the loose leaf A4 paper that I bought from Muji. This pack is 200 pesos and I'm not sure how much. I think, yeah, this is 100 pieces inside. And also, I bought this graphing paper. Alam niyo yung parang sa pag-math notebook, ganun. Hindi niyo kasi nakikita yung lines. But I bought this graphing paper, but this is in the smaller size. This is in the size B5 and it's also 100 pieces. And ito naman, 150 pesos. So just to show you guys yung difference ng size ng A4 to A5. Ito yung difference ng size niya. And also, I bought this para lang lalagyan ng extra paper ko inside. I also bought this from Muji. This is the zip case and 125 pesos siya. Here it says 158 but then sa taas 125. I guess it was on sale. But I just want to tell you guys also, if ever you guys want to shop at Muji and medyo pricey yung 580 pesos na A4 size para sa inyo, there are other sizes and like smaller ring holes in Muji and I just don't know how much. But I'm sure it's a lot cheaper than the A4 size one. But honestly, I said it once, I'm gonna say it again. Kung gagamitin nyo naman siya buong college life nyo, I suggest na you just invest on it because it's really high quality and it's really nice. Plus, if you guys ever want to like buy other ring binding stuff that you guys want to buy from National Bookstore or anywhere else, kasya naman siya dito because, you know, ring bind goes with anything. I don't know what I'm talking about. But if this video did not make sense for you, then I'm sorry. I was just trying to help. Also, if you guys want a dorm tour, let me know in the comments below because I'm so down for that. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you guys want to see in this channel, school related or not. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, why? Like, subscribe to my channel right now. I'm demanding you, but I don't want to be demanding. I'm sorry, but if you just want to subscribe to my channel, do it. The button is somewhere here or here, so it's highly encouraged. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video, and God bless you guys. Bye.